There's only one paragraph tool included in Editor.js. We have to install other plugins for the editor. Go to the header plugin GitHub page. Copy the installation code. Paste it into the terminal. And execute it. You can install every listed plugin tool the same way. After installing every listed plugin tool, we have to import it into a JS file. I am only importing the header and list tools for now to check if they work fine. To use the header and list tools included in Editor.js, we have to copy this object and paste it into the Editor.js object. Also, we can activate some options by adding these codes. In the next video, we will create a Laravel backend to save the data. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.